Hello tech professionals, developers, consultant and aspiring SAP professionals. Welcome back to the channel. Today marks an exciting milestone for us. While we have been diving deep into the fundamental of development, many of you have asked what happens when the standard system does not enough. To make to answer to that, I am officially launching a brand new playlist, SAP Enhancements. In the real world, we are rarely build everything from the scratch. Most of our time is spent enhancing, modifying, or wrapping the standard SAP functionality to meet the specific business needs. In this series, we are going to cover everything from the classical enhancements and BAdIs to the latest extensible pattern into the modern environment. We will look at how to make these changes effectively without breaking the core system. Now, for those of you following our introduction to SAP and ABAP series or mastering in the Fury, don't worry, we are not stopping that. We will be running both the series simultaneously. You can expect foundational learning videos and these advanced adjustment tutorials to be uploaded side by side. This way, whether you are just starting out or you are a seasonal consultant looking for the technical deep dive, there are something here for you. Make sure you check out the new playlist link into the description. Hit the notification bell so you do not miss the parallel updates. And let's get started with the first enhancement sessions. That is for the overview of the enhancement. Adjustment of SAP standard softwares. In this series, we will learn to adjust the SAP standard software and describing the classical enhancement types. This lesson provides you an overview of options available for modifying your SAP system and outline the guidelines that enables you to decide which options to be used. You need to know the options available for modifying and enhancing your SAP system. For this reason, we require the following knowledge: an understanding of different level at which you can make the changes to understand the system delivered by SAP, and understanding the most suitable methods for changing the standard system. The objective of this lesson is describe the options for adjusting the standard system. Overview of options for changing SAP standard applications. You can you can change the SAP standard software by using any of the following techniques. That is personalization, modification, or enhancement. The customer development, enhancement, and modifications are performed by using the tools available into the ABAP workbench. Means it is directly related with the snippet change or repository object modification. So that's why the custom development, enhancement, and modification came under to the SAP workbench. Sorry, ABAP workbench. To meet this requirement or enhance the standard system to the business requirement, we have the five techniques. First one is customizing. At the customizing level, you can set up the specific business process and functions for your system based on an implementation guide or IMG. Personalization. At personalization level, you can make the changes to the global display attribute of certain fields, such as setting default value or hiding fields and creating specific menu sequence. Third, modification. At a modification level, you can change the SAP repository object at the customer site If SAP deliver a changed version of the object, you must adjust the customer system to reflect the changes to reflect the changes. Prior to release 4.0b, these adjustments had to be made manually using the upgrade utility. As of release 4.5a, this procedure has been automated through the modification assistant. 4. Enhancement. At enhancement level, you can create a repository object for individual customer that refers to objects that are already existing into the SAP repository. Fifth and last, customer development. At the customer development level, you can create the repository object that are unique to the individual customer in the customer namespace, not into the standard one. These five levels are utilized to enhance, modify, or customize the standard SAP system to the business requirement. We will learn now at which level or which option we have to be utilized for the particular scenario or business scenario. If customization or personalization does not fulfill your requirement, you can either start the development project or use a complementary software program or CSP. A list of CSPs are certified by SAP is available into the SAP Service Marketplace externet under the alias /software partner. The development project falls under the customer development category. If the SAP standard system does not already contain a functions similar to the one of you are trying to develop, however, if a similar SAP function exists, try to include it into your development project by either enhancing or modifying it, or by using the user exit, or by copying the appropriate SAP program. Modification can cause problem after the upgrade. You must compare new version of SAP object with the modified version that you have created. If necessary, you must also adjust the new version to the incorporate and adjustments you made to be the previous versions. Make modification only if the following situations. The customizing and personalization does not fulfill the requirement. Suitable enhancement option is not available. Copying this to the customer namespace cannot be considered as an option. If these three situations are meeting, then try to create the modifications. The customizing refers to the process of the system configuration and during the which the member of the project team need to be required to perform the system settings. The business engineering consists of all the SAP implementation tools. Example of the SAP implementation tools are as follows. The SAP R3 reference model, the implementation guide or IMG, a complete list of all customizing activities. The R3 reference model contain all the modules used to describe the industrial process such as the process model, data model, and the organization model. The customizing activities will be performed through the implementation guide or IMG. The customization provide following functions. That is a roadmap as a structured plan for the implementation and enhancing the SAP system, or tools to for making and documenting the system settings. To explore this one, we will be connect to the system to explore further. Now, I will demonstrate how to access the SAP reference IMG. For that one, we need to go to the practice system. So I will log into the practice system first. Open the login pad. This is the test system I have. Login to the system. Now, how to refer the IMG? For that one, we will navigate from the menu bar. First of all, go to the tools, customizing, IMG, and execute the project. Click onto this one. It will open the customizing execution project. Okay. Go to the go to menu, SAP reference IMG. It will open the SAP reference IMG. In the following steps, you will see how to perform a simple customization transaction. We are trying to modify the enterprise structure, definition, logistic, and define, copy, delete, and check divisions. Okay, so we will try to create one more division. Check this one, define division. We have click onto the define division. Right now, we have came to customizing screen of creating or maintaining the divisions. Click onto the new entries. Here, we can put any new division number. That is a PB. I will put it as a PB. Put some description and place enter or save. It will ask you for the customizing request. So just go to new and create the new customized request. That is the demo. The description is so for the particular user, the customizing request is created and our changes are saved. Control S. Then we can go back. Now that you are able to refer the reference ing. Now into the upcoming sessions, we will be check how to personalize our system. We will check the personalization options in our system. Thank you for today.